Wanna know an affordable resort to stay at while in Bantayan Island, Cebu? Please keep on watching. Upon arriving at Santa Fe Port, we took a tricycle to take us to our resort. Beach Placid was just a kilometer away and it just took us 4 minutes to get there. Check-in procedure in Beach Placid Resort and Restaurant was fast and easy as we have pre-booked our stay. The quadroom we stayed at has open cabinet with shelves, hot and cold shower and bath, two queen-sized bed, aircon, refrigerator, balcony, and outdoor seating area. The in-house restaurant offers a variety of American, Continental, and Filipino cuisines at a reasonable price. You can also request to take your food and drinks by the cabana at the beach with additional but minimal fee. On our last night, we ordered grilled meat and seafood for a boodle-fight.
Yung kabibing na common.
Beach Placid offers a casual suites and cottages in a relaxed beach resort offering an open-air restaurant and bar. The resort lived up to its name as it gives off a peaceful and laid-back stay while in the island.
Check.
Checkout was easy and we just settled our additional fee that we incurred during our stay. Shuttle transfers to and from Santa Fe Pier are free. After a few minutes, we reached Santa Fe Port and bought our ticket to Hagnaya Port. It was such a memorable stay at Bantayan Island. I hope I get to see you again on our next